high school I actually decided I'd never do science again after grade 10. So I went into grade 11 and 12. I sort of reluctantly decided to do physical science in grade 11 because my brothers convinced me to, and it was a really good move because I realised I really did like science, and from then on looked at careers, I guess, that involved different types of science.
So what then led you on to go and study at uni?
Yeah, so that was another surprise. I decided that I wanted to try and move in the direction of medical science, and so at college I did the subjects I needed to get into medicine or pharmacy, and at the end of grade 12 I had enrolled in pharmacy at university. But I then did an industry placement over the school holidays, and I did it mainly because it was a paid work experience. So I thought, well, I'll just do a couple of weeks work experience and get paid for it. And it was a placement arranged by Pixie, although back then it wasn't known as Pixie yet. But it was arranged by Pixie, and I did 2 weeks work experience with a dairy researcher here at the university. And I was just really surprised that there was so much science underpinning agriculture. It was something I wasn't really aware of until then. And I could see that I could become really interested in the science of plants, and also the ways that we can use agricultural science in developing countries to improve their livelihoods. So that was what changed my mind. I became really interested in agricultural science and changed my enrolment to do pharmacy into the Bachelor of Ag Science. I think one of the reasons I'd never considered ag science in high school is that I think there's a general perception that agriculture isn't a successful career, or isn't an impressive career, and isn't a high-tech career. So I think there's a lot of perceptions around agriculture that are misperceptions. And so, yeah, when I decided to do agricultural science, even among my friends there were some of the views that it was a very strange decision to decide to do something that was around agriculture, because that was their perception as well. Agricultural science holds so many opportunities for graduates when they come out of the course. There's a lot of career options that are, you know, from the farming end of the spectrum through to really high technology, say business or even banking. There's a whole lot of business sides to agriculture as well. And then even within that, there's a lot of different types of science. There are, you can go from, say, agronomy and biology, and through to sciences like gene technology and microbiology, and yeah, there's just a whole range of different types of sciences. So sort of don't assume, I guess, that only one type of person or one type of interest will be the right thing for agricultural science.